Hello and welcome back to another nonfiction reader. This week we're going to explore eagles. This book is called Fly High Eagles. Let's look at the table of contents. Here it is. Page 1, Introduction, followed by Diagram of an Eagle. Then we'll read about the nest. Next is Flight. Page 5 is Eating Habits. Page 6 is Assemble, followed by the glossary. Here is the introduction. The bald eagle isn't bald at all, like this cute baby right here. His head is covered in white feathers. The rest of his body is covered mostly in broad brown feathers. Bald eagles are raptors. This means that they hunt for food and are very skilled in doing so. If there is a large amount of food, eagles will gather in groups, but they usually stay in pairs. Just like this pair right here. Aren't they cute? Bald eagles can only be found in North America. Look at where I drew the red circle. That's where we live, in North America. Now it's time to look at a diagram of an eagle. This is just a picture to show the structure of something. Here we can see the broad wings meant for soaring. We'll talk about that in a minute. The wingspan can be up to 7.5 feet. So when the eagle spreads its wing, it's taller than any adult in your house. Look underneath. Look at those white tail feathers. Right here are the sharp talons, similar to claws. This helps the eagle catch its prey. Check out that sharp beak for an eagle to tear its food apart. Eagles have amazing eyesight. This really comes in handy when they're trying to spot dinner. Baby eagles mate for life. A newly hatched baby eagle is called an eaglet. It is about the same weight as a tennis ball. Just like you see here, eaglets have fluffy feathers called down. Even after eaglets are hatched, their parents will keep them warm by sitting very close to them. Eagle parents are very protective of their babies and they keep a close eye on their nest even when they go out hunting. Juvenile eagles will start to leave their nest about 8 to 14 weeks. The bald eagle's body is perfectly designed for flying high in the sky. All of the bald eagle bones together only weigh about half a pound. The bones are also hollow. This means that they are empty on the inside. Boys and girls, if you look at this picture, the bone that I circled is an eagle bone. You can see how hollow it is. The other bone that I did not circle is our bone, the human bone. The broad wings of bald eagles are very powerful. Bald eagles use these wings to soar through the air without using much energy. Let's go ahead and look at this. See, check this out. This allows them to fly for a long time without flapping their wings. Eagles can reach speeds of about 30 miles an hour when flapping their wings, but when they dive down, they can go as fast as 100 miles an hour. Bald eagles are fantastic hunters. They can spot fish from high in the sky and swoop down and snatch the fish out of the water with their sharp talons. They can even swim to catch a fish if they need to. Let's check this out. Watch this. Bald eagles also like to eat snakes, like right here. And they also like to eat rodents and other small animals. They will go after other birds such as swans, geese, and ducks. They use their beaks to rip their food apart and swallow the pieces. Remember, boys and girls, they have really, really sharp beaks. Eagles have a pouch halfway between their mouth and stomach where they can store extra food. This is called a crop. In 1782, the Founding Fathers chose the bald eagle as the national symbol. Bald eagles used to thrive in North America, but in the early 1900s, people began hunting bald eagles, and they almost became extinct, just like the dinosaurs. In the 1940s, they became protected in the United States. This means it is illegal to kill a bald eagle. Other threats to bald eagles include power lines, pesticides, and pollution. Bald eagles will usually live 30 to 35 years. Here we are at the glossary. Your teacher can go ahead and pause this and talk to you about the terms that we may not know about. Well, what did you think about bald eagles? I think they're pretty cool. Be ready to tell your teacher a fact about a bald eagle. And I will see you all next week with the next nonfiction reader.